and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So in today's video I will be doing an updated review of the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So recently Chase increased the sign-on bonus for this credit card, so it just made sense to do an updated review. Now, before I jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. So in a previous video that I did talk about how the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a great starter credit card if you are someone who is looking to get into the hobby of earning points and rewards, but you are not loyal to any one particular airline or hotel chain. So in today's video, I will go over the following: the annual fee, the current sign-on bonus, the earning rate and currency of this credit card, as well as the perks and benefits. And as with all of my reviews, I will also go over the pros and the cons of this credit card. The current annual fee of this credit card is $95. And at the time that I am recording this video, the current sign-on bonus is 80,000 ultimate reward points if you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months from when your account is approved. Now, I do find this to be interesting because the previous sign-on bonus was 60,000 ultimate reward points for the same spend requirement. So I'm going to assume that Chase is doing this in order to attract new customers to apply for this credit card. Now, the earning rate on this card is 2 ultimate reward points for every dollar that you spend on dining and travel purchases, and you would earn 1 point on all other categories. Now let's jump right into the perks and benefits of this credit card. So the first thing is this card does not charge any foreign transaction fees. So if you are someone who does travel internationally, you can definitely utilize this benefit. The next benefit is that this card does give you trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance. So if you book your vacation on this credit card and your trip is canceled or cut short due to sickness, severe weather, or some other covered reason, Chase will reimburse you for any prepaid, non-refundable out-of-pocket expenses that you incur due to your trip being canceled or cut short. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred also gives you trip delay reimbursement. So if you book your vacation on this credit card and your trip is delayed 12 hours or more, or if it requires an overnight stay, Chase will reimburse you for certain out-of-pocket expenses for things like food or lodging that you incur due to the trip being delayed. Now, the maximum benefit you can receive is $500 per ticket. Now, the next benefit of this credit card is baggage delay insurance. So in the event that your carrier, so for example, the airline, takes 6 hours or more to get your luggage to you, you can qualify to be reimbursed for certain out-of-pocket expenses for things like clothing and toiletries while your luggage is basically missing. Now, the maximum benefit is $100 a day for up to 5 days, and you will have to submit receipts to Chase to show them that you did actually incur these additional expenses. Now, the next benefit offered by the Chase Sapphire Preferred is auto rental collision insurance. Now, in order to qualify for this benefit, you will first have to decline the insurance offered by the rental car company, and you will have to pay for the entire car rental on the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, once you meet these 2 requirements, you will qualify for this benefit, and this will cover the cash value of the vehicle in the event that it is stolen or incurs any damage. Now, the next 2 benefits I want to talk about are purchase protection and extended warranty. So when it comes to purchase protection, any new purchases made on this credit card are covered against damage or theft for the first 120 days. Now, the maximum benefit you can receive is $500 per claim and a lifetime benefit of $50,000. So when it comes to extended warranty, for any purchases that you make using this credit card, if they come with a U.S. manufacturer warranty that is 3 years or less, Chase will actually extend this warranty for 1 additional year. Okay, so now that we've gone over the laundry list of perks and benefits offered by this credit card, let's jump right into the pros and cons of the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So the first pro I would have to say is, for a card that has an annual fee of only $95, this card comes with so many perks and benefits that you can actually use. I also do love that you have a lot of flexibility when it comes to actually using and redeeming your points, right? So you can do a number of things with them. So you can redeem your points for cash. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing that, but it is an option. You can use your points to book travel in Chase's travel portal, or you can use your points and transfer them to one of Chase's many travel partners. So their travel partners include companies like JetBlue, Southwest, Marriott, and Hyatt. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is an amazing option, especially if you are someone who's not loyal to any one particular airline or hotel chain. Now let's talk about the cons or downsides of this credit card. So the first thing that stands out to me is the spend requirement in order to get the sign-on bonus. To spend $4,000 in 3 months is a lot of money. So if you don't normally spend that kind of money, I would not recommend applying for this credit card. Maybe go for something less expensive like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the new Chase Freedom Flex. The next downside I would have to say is that for a travel credit card, it does not offer you access to any airport lounges or give you any elite status with the airlines or any hotels. So the next 2 downsides that we'll have to say about this credit card are the restrictions that Chase has in place when it comes to their credit card application. So the first one is the infamous 524 rule. So if you don't know what this is, there is an unspoken rule, if you will, that if you have been approved for 5 or more credit cards in the last 24 months, your current credit card application with Chase will automatically be denied, regardless of how great your income or credit scores might be. Now, the second restriction, and now this one is listed on their website, if you currently have any of their other Sapphire credit cards, you will not qualify to apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And if you have received a sign-on bonus from another Chase Sapphire product in the last 48 months, you also will not qualify to apply for this credit card, which basically means your credit card application will be denied. So overall, I would say that the Chase Sapphire Preferred is definitely a great travel credit card, especially if you are new and are trying to get into the hobby of traveling on points and rewards. So let me know down in the comments below, do you currently have this credit card? And if so, do you like it? Or are you using a different credit card as your travel credit card? I would love to know what all of you have in your wallet. Now, as always, everyone, thank you for watching today's video. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.